welcome to my another vlog. It's raining today. This is another office where you get your ID card from, where you make your ID card, Visa card. I'm on Principal. Because of the rain, you can see there's so much puddles and so much mess. The hospital, Mother and Child Hospital. Area is called Lane Park. You can see so much puddle. See a lot of hospitals here on this road. Doctors. All the mud. It gets quite dangerous when it's raining. The floor becomes very slippery. See all the rubbish. This is actually where they dump the rubbish, but as you can see, it's all on the floor. This is one of the famous shops in Chakwal, Unique. Got UBL Bank here. Shoe shop, Endure and Butter. We've got a sale on Butter, flat 40% off. See the view. I've just come to put some petrol. This is Talagang Road. Okay, so I've come to the place where they make peanuts. The place is quite muddy, so I'm not going forward. But if you see one of my previous videos, I've actually made a video about the peanuts and how they actually make it as well. So you can see one of my previous videos. Okay, so I've managed to cross the place, so managed to come inside. So this is where they've got all the peanuts. You see it, they're inside there. In these sacks. And this is how they get cooked. So I'm on my way home now, and the weather is lovely. So I'll be having my peanuts and enjoying the weather. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.